Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one I'll be sharing with you 3 of my favorite fragrances from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. If you want to see what they are, just keep watching. I ordered directly from the Maison Francis Kurkdjian website, which I suggest you do as well. I saved a lot of money as opposed to ordering from a department store, even after doing the conversion from euros to dollars. I ordered the Pour Homme collection, also known as the Fragrance Wardrobe for Men, which contains 8 fragrances, and it arrived in about a week. So it arrived in this really nice package, and inside this box you get a card that lists all of the fragrances, and then the fragrances displayed, and there's 0.37 milliliters in each one of these bottles. Now, the reason I only have 4 bottles is because the others I've either sold or given away. So I'll list all 8 fragrances that come in this set right here, and they are Aqua Universalis, Aqua Celestia Forte, Gentle Fluidity Silver, L'Homme à la Rose, Buckrat Rouge 540, Amyris Homme, Extrait de Parfum, Grand Soir, and Oud Satin Mood. So the first fragrance that I'll be talking about is also a popular one, and it is Buckrat Rouge 540. This fragrance is sweet, it's complex, and it lasts about 4 to 5 hours on the skin, even longer on clothing. It's perfect for the spring going into summer. So if you're interested in a sweet, complex fragrance, definitely check this one out. The next fragrance is Grand Soir. This one is amber and vanilla, a perfect combination. So if you're into either of those notes, definitely check this one out. And the last fragrance is arguably the most complex, and that is Oud Satin Mood. This fragrance is oudi, so it's a little bit strong, but it also lasts a long time, 8 to 9 hours. If you're into oudi fragrances, check this one out, but if you wear it, make sure you wear it for at least the 8 hours so you can see how it transforms. So those are 3 of my favorite scents from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. If you've tried out others that you enjoy, leave them down in the comments. I look forward to reading them, and I'll see you in the next video.